Hi guys and welcome to my channel. We are learning Chinese here, and in this video we will learn some grammatical issues, and for example we will practice how to say, how to use ma, and how can we make yes no question by using ma, and other, for example, how can we use shuma. Here we have this. Sorry for that. Okay, and we will practice this one and Tai and Hun. Okay, let's start. And we don't have pin here, so we should write the tones on the characters first. For example, here, 你好吗? Here, 你身体好吗? You already know these tones. 他是老师 and I will translate this sentence. 你好吗? You all know. How are you? And if we translate the words by words, 你 means you, 好 means good. Are you good? Are you okay? So, how are you? If we add ma end of the sentence, it makes sentence yes no question. I already mentioned that. And for example here, 你身体好吗? Ni means you, 身体 means body and health. Your health. 好吗? How's your health? And you remember we use this question to against people who are ill or very old. For example, you visit your friend and your friend is sick, so you can ask 你身体好吗? How's your health? Or you visit your grandpa and grandma and you can ask 你身体好吗? How's your health? And here, 她是老师吗? She is she teacher, and if we ignore ma, 她是老师 means she is a teacher. If we add ma here, so 她是老师吗? Is she teacher? So it's so simple to make yes no question in Chinese. It doesn't change according to tense here, the time and future, past. It doesn't matter in any sentence. We add ma, it makes yes no question. Okay, I will write here all the sentence. 你好 sorry, I will write ma. And my mouse has some problems. Okay. I hope this you don't hear this sound. 你好吗? 你好吗? And this ni, this tone becomes the second tone because we have rules. 你好吗? How are you? 你好吗? You all know that, and you will write these sentences with me. And 你身体好吗?你身体好吗? 你身体好吗? How is your health? Your health. Okay? Good. How is your health? And 他是老师吗?他是老师吗? 老师吗? 他是老师吗? Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? 他是老师吗? Is she a teacher? Okay. And you are writing the sentences with me. And we paste other page. Okay. Now it's good. 他姓什么? Here, 他 means he, 姓 means surname, 什么 means what. So, what is his surname? What is his surname? And I will write the tones again. 他姓什么? 你叫什么名字? Shui, it's a new word for us, but it's not belongs to this chapter. So in next chapters, we will practice this character. And it means who. Shui. And second thought. 是的为玛丽在 also new for us. It means at in on at some place. 哪儿 means where. Okay, I will translate all of them. 他姓什么? What's his surname? 姓 means surname. 他姓什么? What's his surname? And 你叫什么名字? You all know this sentence meaning. What's your name? 你叫什么名字? What's your name? And we look at here. 谁是的为? Who is the way? 谁是的为? Who is the way? 谁 means who. And Mali 在哪儿? Mali means Mary. 在 89. Mali is 哪儿 means where. Where is Mali? Where is Mary? Sentence meaning where is Mary? Okay, I will write the sentences. 他姓什么？他姓什么? What's his surname? 姓 means surname. Okay, you write the sentence too. And 你叫什么名字? You all know this sentence. 你叫什么? Second one, 名字 你叫什么名字? 你叫什么名字? What's your name? 你叫什么名字? What's your name? And 谁是的为? 谁是的为? And here you and I what we read this part? 为谁 And it looks a little complicated, but it's so simple. And look at me carefully. We know this part because we learned Röntgen. We use this part, Röntgen, at Röntgen. So this part is here. We already know this part. And this part, just a dot for 3 line later, like this and like this. It's straight. We should write like this. Straight. Sure. Straight. Sure. That way. That way. Straight. Sure. That way. Who is David? Who is David? So we can answer it. 나그는 슈. Straight. 나그는 means that person. 나그는 슈. That way. We can answer this question like this. Okay. And mali zaynar. Mali zay zay na. And we learned how to use are. These ones are. Nar means where. Mali means where. Zay etinon. Where is Mali? And zay also means exist. Where is Mali? For example, if you want to ask where are you? Ni zaynar. Ni zaynar. Ni zaynar. Where are you? So you can answer like 我在家. Jia means home. 我在家. I am at home. Okay, so in this video, you don't have to learn deeply these questions. For example, nar, shui. This is new for this chapter. And in next chapters, we will practice these questions again and again. So don't worry about that. And if you have any problem, you can write on comment section. I will answer all of them. Okay. Here, before I said, if you want to use very in positive sentence, we should use hun. If you want to use very in negative sentence, we should use type. And first, I will write the tones again. Hun, mang. Mang means busy. You remember that. Ta, hu, tai, gao, xing. But here, wo, very like second tone. Okay. 他很忙，他很忙。He is very busy. 他很忙。He is very busy. 他很忙，他很忙。He is very busy. Okay. 他不太高兴，他不太高兴。It means he's not very glad. He's not very pleased. 他不太高兴，他不太高兴。 here I will show again. Where is this one? Like second tone. 他不太高兴. He is not very pleased, glad. And we use this recently. 我很高兴. Nice to meet you. I am very glad to meet you. So 他不太高兴. He is not very pleased. He is not very glad. Okay, guys. In this video, we practice this question, how to make question, and how can we use a very in Chinese sentences, in positive and negative sentences. And if you have any more questions, please write on comment section and I will answer all of them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next videos.